Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Is your gym floor season coming to you early? Well, we've got a great deal for you. 25% off 12-inch Norton Blaze, Norton Red Heat rolls. That's 25% off. And even better, order 2 or more rolls and shipping is free. Stay tuned for more great promotions from us on our social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. If you need parts for your rider, if you need a new rider, or if you need questions answered about service on your rider, give us a call, 800-737-1786, or go to cityfloorsupply.com.